Hi friends. Welcome to Kerala EduStar. If you are watching the channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Then share it with your friends and relatives. If you like the video, please like it. Hi friends. Today our class Kerala syllabus is the second chapter of Social Science of class 5. Let's go to the video. Unit 2. From Stone to Metal. We are studying in this chapter the period in which rough stones were used as tools is known as the Paleolithic Age. The period in which polished stones were used as tools is known as the Neolithic Age. Agriculture, domestication of animals and permanent settlement began in the Neolithic Age. River valley civilizations flourished in the Bronze Age. The major civilizations during the Bronze Age were Mesopotamian, Egyptian, Chinese and Harappan. Okay, let's go to the lesson. The picture given above depicts the early human life. What can you identify from the picture? Early human beings lived in forests. Wood and animal skins were used as clothing. Stone and sticks were used as weapons. A human being does not have a gigantic body like that of an elephant, sharp claws like that of a tiger or the strength of a bison. Hence tools and weapons were essential for the early men to defend themselves from wild animals and to collect food. For this purpose, they used stones. As stone was the material that influenced the early human life the most, this period came to be known as Stone Age. Stone Age. As stone was the material that influenced the early human life the most, this period came to be known as Stone Age. Paleolithic Age. The period in which rough stones were used as tools and weapons is called Paleolithic Age, Old Stone Age. The rough stones that the early humans used can be seen in the picture. For what purpose might these stones have been used? To hunt animals, to defend oneself from the attack of animals, to dig up edible tubers, to break the hard items, to shelter in decorative art, to make clothing. During this age, man lived in caves and ate fruits and tubers, and meat of hunted animals. The use of fire was an invention of this age. For what purposes fire might have been used by the early man? Discuss. Prepare food. Used for protection. Fire brought light into the dark caves. To get warm to the body. Neolithic Age. The Neolithic Age or New Stone Age began when human invented agriculture and started making tools out of metal instead of stone. What differences do these weapons have from those of the Paleolithic Age? Sharper. Polished. In this period drastic transformations occurred in human life. The pictures given below signify those changes. From the pictures, what features can you identify about the human life in the Neolithic Age? Engaged in farming. Developed shelters. Tamed animals. Pottery created for numerous uses. Advanced tools and techniques created. Invention of wheel. In what ways does the Neolithic Age differ from the Paleolithic Age? Food. Paleolithic Age. Men hunted for food, and women gathered food from around the area. Neolithic Age. Humans began to cultivate for food and to domesticate animals. The invention of fire cooked food. Tools. Paleolithic Age. The weapons were made of stones, used to crush, throw and draw. Neolithic Age. Were more sharp weapons. Began to use arrows and bows. Shelter. Paleolithic Age. There was no house to live in permanently. Lived on rock and woods. Neolithic Age. Began to live in groups. Houses were built and settlements began. Chalcolithic Age. The period when man used both stone and copper tools is known as Chalcolithic Age, Copperstone Age. Bronze Age. The age in which bronze was widely used to make weapons and tools is called Bronze Age. Later copper tools began to be used along with stone tools. Compared to stones, copper was easier to sharpen and mold and was convenient to use. The period when man used both stone and copper tools is known as Chalcolithic Age or Copperstone Age. In course of time, man discovered tin and learned to mix copper with tin to produce the alloy called bronze, which was harder than copper. The age in which bronze was widely used to make weapons and tools is called Bronze Age. The changes brought about in human life by the invention and use of bronze weapons and tools. During this period, agriculture improved and resulted in better harvest. The fertile soil of the river valleys and ample irrigation also helped in improving agriculture. What changes might have been brought about by the improvement in agriculture? The storage of surplus food grains. Development of public places for the exchange of agricultural products. Increase in the production and use of new agricultural tools. What other occupational fields might have developed along with agriculture? Find them from the pictures given below. Cattle rearing, metallurgy, pottery making, ornaments making. In addition to the ones you have found out, the following occupational fields also developed during that period: brickmaking, weaving. Barter system is the exchange of goods and services between two or more parties without the use of money. Those who were engaged in a particular occupation needed the goods produced by others. This necessitated the exchange of goods and it created a sense of mutual dependence among people. Surplus products were exported to far-off places. As a result, both inland and maritime trade flourished. Consequently, means of transportation also developed. In course of time, systems of administration were formed to regulate these activities. The invention of the art of writing was another striking feature of the Bronze Age. With these features, ancient cities developed gradually in various river valleys. These cities are regarded as the centers of the Bronze Age civilizations: the Mesopotamian civilization, the Egyptian civilization, the Chinese civilization, the Harappan civilization. The Mesopotamian civilization. The Mesopotamian civilization flourished in the valleys between the Euphrates and the Tigris rivers. The word Mesopotamia means the land between rivers. It is now in Iraq. The cuneiform script evolved in Mesopotamia. The ziggurats are the major remains of this great civilization. Cuneiform script. The cuneiform is one of the oldest known scripts. It was developed in the region of Sumer. The script is represented by wedge-shaped pictographic marks on clay tablets. Ziggurats. The ziggurats were temple complexes. The walls of the ziggurats were built of burnt bricks. It has been found that around 25 ziggurats were built in this area. The ziggurat in the city of Ur is still preserved. The Egyptian civilization. The Egyptian civilization flourished in the valley of the river Nile. Egypt is called the gift of the Nile. The hieroglyphic script was developed in Egypt. The world-famous pyramids are the most remarkable remains of this civilization. Hieroglyphics. It is the script used by ancient Egyptians. It is a combination of symbols and letters commonly written on papyrus and wood. Pyramids. The pyramids are the tombs of the pharaohs, the rulers of Egypt. The biggest pyramid is the one at Giza, built by the pharaoh of Khufu. The Chinese civilization. The Chinese civilization flourished in the Huanghe River Valley. It is remarkable that the Chinese pictographic script formed in the Bronze Age exists even today with some changes. The Chinese were experts in making bronze sculptures. The Harappan civilization. The Harappan civilization flourished in the valley of the river Indus. The major sites of this civilization are situated in the present India and Pakistan. Town planning was a striking feature of the Harappan civilization. The thoroughfares, drainage system, granaries, trade centers, multi-storied houses made of burnt bricks, etc. astonish even the modern world. The Harappan people were familiar with the art of writing. Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Kalibangan, and Lothal were the major cities of the Indus Valley civilization. The Great Bath. The Great Bath is one of the important remains of the Harappan civilization. It is situated in Mohenjo-daro. Human life underwent changes when it progressed from the Neolithic Age to the Bronze Age. What are they? Lifestyle. Stone Age. People were nomads. They moved from one place to another and they did not any particular profession. Bronze Age. They are settlers. They selected places and profession for their living. Hunting style. Stone Age. People used tools made of stone and bone to kill animals. Bronze Age. People learned how to make bronze tools. Food. Stone Age. People used to hunt and eat then and there. There will not be any formal way of cooking. Bronze Age. People learned the art of cooking and cooked the food which was hunted or harvested. Profession. Stone Age. There was no particular profession, but from the paintings on the walls of the cave, we know that they were good painters. Bronze Age. People chose their profession. Some took the profession of tailoring. As they had settled in a place, Farming played a major role in the development. 1. Compare and contrast the tools, implements and weapons of the Paleolithic age with those of the Neolithic age. Two. What were the changes brought about in the human life in the Neolithic age with the beginning of agriculture? Tools and weapons were made using copper and bronze. New tools increased production and improved the life conditions of man. Needed more strong tools for cultivation. Improved agriculture led to surplus production. Granaries for storage of grains. Development of public places for the exchange of agricultural products. They started occupations like cattle rearing, pottery making, bricks making, metal works and making of ornaments. Transportation facilities are started. Trade flourished. 3. List out the various occupational fields developed in the Bronze Age. Making of agricultural tools, rearing of cattle, pottery, making bricks, metalworks, dress, cloth making, jewelry making, fishing. If you understand this chapter, thanks for watching the video. Thank you.